After the storm, I thought love had ended. I trusted without encryption, my heart wide open. Loved in plain code, no firewall, no defense. Promises corrupted mid-transfer, glass in rain, and silence taught me how waiting breathes. She left with borrowed light, my name in cold storage. I stood inside the breach, still running, still whole. I waited for truth to converge when time observes. Now I see a girl, she is different, the one I found, the girl, the way she walks, the way she stands. Every step she takes is quiet truth, no shadow hidden in her hands. My eyes follow every moment, not to possess but to believe. After all the lies I survived, she reminds my heart how to breathe. Protects her light from hollow games, from patterns that the world expects. I followed not with hunger or chains, but with patience pure and true. She is the one I searched for silently, the one my heart already knew. I don't chase girl to love me anymore. I let it arrive when it's real. If trust is born from patience, then this is what I feel. I finally found the girl of my heart, the one who rises, not destroys. After betrayal, after night, love returns with a gentler voice. After the storm.